some swirls for you. So I'm gonna do a matte top coat. So this is the matte top coat will help grab the gel painting is really nicely. All right, here for 60 seconds. And then I have my, it's beautiful all the time, the gel painting in the bottle. I don't know why I have extra one, because I think I thought I was missing that, so I bought that one. So I'm gonna use pink, and we did this one last time, did we? Should we do yellow? You can do pink and yellow.
Or you can stay the same theme with green and pink.
Green and pink?
Or aqua. Okay.
Ah, okay. And then I'm gonna using either that is gold. You can use a gold, or I have even like a gel painting in a bottle in the pot. This is so beautiful as well. So if you have this, it's great. If you don't have, you have a gel painting in the pot, you can definitely rock that too.
Okay, then we hope things this is better for you. We have some storm over here too, but good things to have power.
Keep finger cracks. Oh, stay safe. Stay safe, Nene. All right. And the brush is really precise. You can have so much fun with this. And the gel painting is so pigmented. I'm gonna get most of it off. All right. And start with this pink and aqua. And hold it stationary with your fingers. One finger, doesn't matter, whatever you want. Do you want to do a pinky or your ring finger to just support the other hand, so then this hand will be shaky? You can do the same thing like that with yours e-file as well. And if you are doing your manicure using nippers, and for your pedicure too, it's good to have a support. So it's really easy. Press it down and then keep it like flat, like using its parallels. First you're gonna using a 45-degree angles and to get the stroke you want, and then you're gonna do it like, keep it parallels with the nails, and you will never go wrong with this. The pigment is just amazing, and also it's not runny, and it's really opaque. We've been doing using this for like past couple years, and it's so beautiful. Perfect for skinny French and sore nail art. So you can do is like, when you start, you can make it thicker, the swords, and then you gradually doing it smaller. However you would like. You'll never go wrong with the swords. It's really cool. All right. And I'm gonna touch it up and flash key it really quick. We're moving on to the next color. You can, if you stop right here, if you want to do just that one. All right. All right. Train stations underground look like Titanic stairway. Hi Nilex, how are you? All right, so next one we are using aqua colors. It's really precise. I'm gonna get just enough. I'm gonna go and start from the end, and it go backwards. And you can see that I still support my nails. I'm in my hand. And I'm going to make it thicker on the other end opposite. And draw it back up. You can go back this way. And go it back. Same thing with this. Again, but I'm gonna do this under because I don't want to cover the beautiful butterflies there. You can do on the top if you want to. All right, flash here. And then we are going to using gold. It's really, really pigmented. Just need just a little bit. And I'm gonna start from the other end first. Hold on, you see that how I press on my rings finger to get support, and keep first 45-degree and keep the brush flat as I go along. Same thing with this swirl. And then get this one. All right, cure for 60 seconds. Wow, flash cure.
What that? Crystal?
Crystal. Flash cure.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do some just a little bit crystals. I use these two colors, the pink and the aqua. I rub too much on that so you can't see the name, but it's the aquas and it is pink.
Just lose some of my golden part.
So condensed glue gel, it's a first step from the crystal trifecta, and then just it's really thick density. You can see that I use just a little bit. You pick up the first time, you feel like, oh my gosh, it's so thick, which is congratulations, you get the right one. So just a little bit.
One thing, be sure you don't get a big lump of condensed glue. It's really thick, and you get too much, it's gonna be impossible to spread them out.
You just do
properly.
A little thin coat of floating the no wet top coat on the top. This is the second stop from our 3-step method crystal placements. You have like the troubleshootings with crystal placement, charm placement, and chains placement, anything else for the nails. This is going to be your bestie. So I'm not gonna put a beautiful like a centerpiece here because I want to keep my swirls remaining really nice. So I am going to, oh nice, I want this one. What do you think? Tempting, but I put it back. So tempting with that shape, but you can do it if you want to. I'm gonna stay with beautiful theme, which is pink and green. I don't know how about you, but I really enjoyed this video today. It's really cool though. It's so exciting. I don't know why. Sorry, just me. Because I am... why this one is here? It's like, hey, hello, I'm going to stay right here. I'm not going anywhere. Right, so let it stay there. Okay, I'm going to add some beads on. I feel I'm doing my nails. Put beads on. You can go without beads, but I love to add some beads on to make it look like finished looking. And I'm at this one right here. The best to add the crystal and then the beads together is to add it between beads, between crystals, and between the two edges of two crystal. That's what I mean. And then, or the between crystal and frame, or between crystal and the bars. If you need to adjust anything, just turn your other end, which is also a dot 2, and it's adjusting, so then you don't get all of yours all of your glue gels. Gonna stick it on the top of your wax and all right. Adjusting it, adjusting. Can you see my butterflies? My butterflies is covers half of it.
No, it's still simple.
Yeah. All right, swirl and crystals.